Hey guys, a bit of an insight today on how I keep huge tiled floors like this level. For anyone that's new to the channel, I'm Alec, aka the Bespoke Bloke. I've spent many years working on high-end projects and in celebrity homes, and I put out these videos to help you guys with your tiling projects, helping you with the knowledge I've picked up over the years, so I hope you pick up some tips along the way. Right, today I'm showing a technique which is used daily on big construction projects for keeping accuracy to fine margins, so we can incorporate this into smaller projects like this to keep everything level to a small tolerance. This is a new build project I'm currently working on, and there's well over 300 metres of floor tiling on this ground floor alone. The problem is it's essential to keep the floor level as of all the different variables the tiles have to align with once fixed. Things like these rear glass sliding doors in different rooms. The tiles need to finish a few millimetres below the track to allow for silicone. That then gives a seamless finish to the outside tiling. We have shadow gaps instead of skirting, so the tiles need to be running through the floor level, otherwise these gaps will look horrible and wonky. Now the problem with using conventional levels on your work over this kind of distance is it's very easy to get false readings and run out of level. Even just being a millimetre out on one row can increase on the next row, and by the time you get to the other end you're a centimetre out. The other thing, especially with large format tiles like these, they are always bowed like a banana, as you can see here, hence why we use levelling clips to pull the lippage flat. On these particular 1.2 by 600 tiles there is a difference of about 4 millimetres from the centre to the edges. That's how big the bow is. This is a huge amount when trying to level up tiles conventionally by putting a level on top. It's manageable for something like a bathroom or a kitchen floor, but it's no good on a huge floor like this. So the technique we use to solve this is to take a datum from a level point, which in tiling would be where your first tile is set. That determines where everything else will finish. All you need for this is a laser level. A 360 beam helps. That projects the beam 360 degrees around the room, but you can use a basic 2 beam and just spin the laser around. So I'll show you here how we do it. It sounds confusing, but it's very simple, and you can use this method on any floor to keep it perfectly level. So the first tile that goes down is set to the perfect height for everything to finish good on. As this building's doors are set at the same level, every tile set at this height would finish a few millimetres below each sliding door. So this tile is our datum point to work from. You then just set your laser level anywhere where the line is visible all around. I'd recommend having it as low as possible though, as this helps with accurate marking. You then just take a small level or a straight piece of wood. A level is best as you can make sure it's upright with the bubbles. I also take out the end cap for greater accuracy. Then place your level on your datum reference point tile, making sure it's upright and straight, and mark the laser level line like this. Now every row of tiles you put down, you can put your laser level on that tile and adjust it up or down until the laser level and your line on your level match up. Every time the laser level goes through the mark you've made, you know that that tile is at the exact same height as the first tile, your level point that you put down. We try and work with a tolerance of about 2 millimetres a section, just making sure that every 5 or so rows we finish dead level with our original level point, or datum point if you like. In this example we are taking our mark from a new datum reference point, which again is the same level as the tile on the doors, which also helps with laser level accuracy over big distances. We are installing tiles into the studio room here and heading towards another sliding door, so we can just use the mark we just drew on our level from the new datum reference point, which we know is perfect on the rear doors. With the floor spread and ready and the back of the tile spread, we place the tile, then just adjust the tile accordingly until the laser hits our line on the level. This means that this tile is at the exact same height as our first original tile we laid, and it's a long way away from that tile. This means that when we come to these doors, the tile will sit exactly where we need it to. This wouldn't be possible to work to this accuracy using conventional levels over this distance, especially with tiles that are not completely flat. So this is how we do it, by using a datum mark and checking it all over the floor. Also you can see these shadow gaps run through now completely level. Well, there's a little insight and tip if you're tiling big floors, guys. Think of me and my back. I've only got 200 metres to go here. If you want to check out some more tiling tips, then there's a nice selection on the screen for you right now. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.